to this session, theoretical aspects of square cut. As we have already been demonstrated and explained the whole part onto the practical ground. But today we'll talk about the square cut in the theoretical mode, the key points and the other aspects of this shot. So before going to the main topic, the key points, we must know about the square cut in which ball we have to play. The ball which is short pitch ball outside the off stump, and the batsman get a chance to play the shot in a square cut mode in the offside, and the height of the ball within the range in between the waist level to the chest level. On that particular ball, a batter can choose for a square cut. But if the ball comes low for a spinner, if the ball comes low in between the waist level to the knee, in between to that lower part of the body, on that particular shot also a batter can choose for a square cut. We have seen under the international cricket that Rahul Dravid has played a wonderful shot on square cut whenever he played against the spinners. So to play this shot we must know about the square cut. So why it is square cut? As we know that in a particular cricket ground there are three parts. One is the outfield, one is the cricket pitch, and one is the boundary. So if we convert it, we can get two straight in front of the batter, and behind the batter we can see two straight, and other two side, it means the offside and the leg side, is known as the square. So whenever a batter choose a ball which is outside the off stump and he wants to cut the ball on the square area, on that particular shot, we can say this is a square cut. Keep in mind some important points. Those are the key points of square cut. So to play the square cut, we must know that the back foot will move across to the off stump. Mind it, across to the off stump, towards the line of the ball. So towards the line of the ball, the back foot will go across to the off stump. We have already mentioned under the practical ground. Now take the ball in front of the eyes. See, I'm looking and it is in front of my eyes to play. Extend arms from high to low. It means that whenever I am going to play the square cut from a high back lift, my arms will be extended from high, see, from high to low. Okay? Why? Because to keep the ball, onto the ground level, so that the ball will go towards the ground, not onto the air. So at the point of contact, the shot will be in front of the eyes. It means from this view, if I want to see this view, if I want to play this shot from there, see, the shot is played in front of my eyes. See, both arms are extended from high to low. Then the point of contact in front of my eyes and body weight onto the back foot. It means whole body weight will be carried onto the back foot. So these are the key points of square cut, how to play. Now there are some common errors in square cut which is to be kept in mind whenever a coach should go for a coaching for square cut. So slicing the ball, whenever a batter unable to slicing the ball, it seems that he is unable to hit the ball properly for square cut. Okay, so slicing means this one. So sometimes batter go for square cut like this, the slicing, and if he goes for slicing, the ball will comes to the batter, it will go onto the air. So it is not slicing, it is cut shot. See, cut. Okay, and moving the body away from the shot. It means whenever I'm playing the shot, see, my body goes back when I'm trying to hit the shot. This should not be. So these are the common errors. If I want shot. It's a scoring shot to play a pull shot. We have seen numerous of batsmen. They are very good in pull shot. Pull shots we can understand by seeing the videos of the great players that pull shot is made for them only. In the current days, if we see the pull shot of Rohit Sharma, it's a wonderful pull shot. We can see Ricky Ponting in the earlier days, very good in pull shot. Rahul Dravid. So there are so many players, those who are very good in pull shot. Here, what are the key points? So before going to the key points, you must know that the ball which is pitched on a short pitch length, and the ball comes onto the middle leg, and at a height of waist to chest. On that particular ball, the batter should choose for pull shot. Now here what to do? The back foot will go back and across with a high back. Okay, front foot comes in the line of the back foot. See, if you see the practical session, whenever I have demonstrated and explained the practical ground, I have shown you that how the front foot goes in the line of the back foot, so that I am open right now. Okay, and take the ball in the line of the body. See, the ball will comes onto the line of the body in this section. Okay, head steady. See, whenever I am going to hit the ball, head steady like this. Arm extended. See, look at my arm from high to low. My arm extended. Rotate the shoulder, roll your wrist, and transfer the body weight towards the direction of the shot. How it should be? Okay. So in this way, the pull shot is to be played. Now, there are some common errors whenever a batter go for pull shot. What are they? Moving back rather across at the time of delivery. Okay, so whenever a batter go back rather than across, it should be back and across. But if he goes back, now it will be difficult for him to make a room to play this shot. It will be the upper body will be locked to play this shot. So if he wants to play this shot, he has to go back and across. Now see, my body is open, and from where I can get a very big room from this to this. See the wide range. I can hit the ball. Okay, and failure to transfer weight onto the front foot. So if I want to play the shot, body weight after the shot, body weight will be onto the front foot. The finishing time. Look at the video, whatever I have posted from the practical ground, and playing this shot to the ball which is not pitched too short. It means if the ball is too short, then only choose to play the shot for pull shot. But if it is not, if it is little bit not short pitched delivery, then it will be difficult for the batter to go for the pull shot, and it may take your wicket if you try to go for the pull shot. So these are the common errors should be kept in mind for the coaches to play this shot, and to teach this shot, to coach this shot whenever a batter playing the pull shot onto the net session or in the practice session. Now, similarly, now I talk about the hook shot. Hook shot, there is a similarity between the hook shot and the pull shot. Here the shot comes from shoulder level to head. It means the ball which is based short pitch delivery, but the height of the ball will be from shoulder level to the head. So in this area, so here the batter should hit the ball as like pull shot. Whole thing will be like pull shot, but here judge the length and pace of the ball is very important. To play this shot, the batter has to judge the length, whenever it is a particular ball, to play this shot and the pace of the ball. similar to the pull shot. If a batter wants to play for hook shot, the back foot will go back and across as like a pull shot. So here also, take the ball in the line with the front shoulder. In the pull shot is the body, here it is the shoulder, front shoulder. It means if I want to play the hook shot, I'm taking my back foot back and across. I'm taking the ball in front of my front shoulder and what I have to do from high back grip, take the ball down, hit the ball down where possible. It is a very difficult shot for the batter to maintain the body balance. So whenever a batter should try to hit hook shot, he should maintain his body balance. The perfect body balance will enable the batter to perfectly hit the shot as hook shot. Now, in hook shot there are also some components. What are they? Failure to move quickly onto the position. It means if the ball is too pace, it is difficult for the batter to move quickly onto the position for hook shot. It is a failure. Failure to take the ball in line of the front shoulder. Why? The ball will be too fast. It is not possible for the batter to go timely to take the ball in line of the front shoulder and taking the eyes of the ball. So it is very important that the batter should contact onto the ball. He should look at the ball properly, taking the eyes of the ball. Failure to pivot onto the back foot. It means here the common error is the batter will unable to pivot onto the back foot to play this shot. So these are the common errors in hook shot. So these are all about the pull shot. Let's talk about the importance of running between the wickets. So now we are going to talk about the running between the wickets. What is it? In fact, one can't hit fours or sixes all day. As we know, a batter can't able to hit fours and sixes throughout the innings. That's why a batter should go for running between. It helps to disturb the rhythm. It helps to disturb the rhythm of the bowler continuously. If the batter will run 1 and 2, 1 and 2, then the rhythm of the bowler will disturb. It demoralizes the opposition as it gives the impression impossible to stop opponent from scoring. It seems that if the batter will score runs through running between the wicket 1, 2, single, double, okay, then it demoralizes the opposition how to stop them. And also, the scoreboard is always moving as because of the running between the wickets. Next. No. So first of all, we'll talk about the calling in running between the wicket. So calling must be made immediate after playing. So immediate after the playing the shot, the calling should be there from the batter or from the non-striker. What are? There are 3 types of calls. Mind it, 3 types of calls in running between the wicket. Yes, no, and wait. Yes, no, and wait. These are the 3 calls. Now, striker to call on most occasions. In most occasions of the innings, maximum time strikers call. Non-striker calls when striker unsighted. So whenever a batter played a shot and the shot goes behind the batter, on that time the strikers can call. And whenever a batter plays straight drive or on drive, it is unsighted towards the non-striker. So on that time the batter can go for the cross. The call wait should always be followed by yes or no. Mind it, the call wait should always be followed by yes or no. That's all. Now backing up is very vital. Backing up, non-striker should carry the bat with the hand closer to the wicket. The non-striker moves forward when the ball is delivered. After the bowler reaches the delivery stride. And short strides for balance and reaction time. And the third one is turning correctly. Whenever a batter go for a running between the wicket, they turn correctly. They should turn correctly. Why? Carry the bat in correct hand for easy turning. Avoid turning blind. It seems that whenever I'm turning from the right side, if it is the ball onto the on side, the bat should be carried by the right hand of the right-handed batsman, so that he can watch the ball and turn. Low body height onto crease. Whenever he is trying to turn correctly, his body height should be low. Accelerate out of crease like sprinter. Short running stride building up. Ensure the bat crosses the crease line along the ground. Next one is sliding the bat. It's very important. Prepare early. Use the flat face down of the bat. It means whenever you are going for running between the wicket, this part should be used whenever you go for running between the wicket, sliding the bat. Most of times we have seen the batter runs like this. So this is the point. It can touch the ground. It can stop you. It will hinder you to go for a good running between the wickets. So this is a wide area, so you can easily go for running between the wicket. Decrease distance to be traveled by providing greater reach, extension of the batter. See, as long as possible, extend your arms with the bat so that it will decrease the distance. Next one is, what are the points to be kept in mind whenever you are sliding and turning? First point is decrease the body height while moving into the crease while sliding, and increase body height while moving out of the crease after turning back. These are the points to be kept in mind. Now there are the philosophy of running between the wicket. Sliding the bat, early preparation. Turning correctly, series of trials including first, second or third run. So single run, double run and triple run, turning correctly is very important. Backing up, focus on position of non-striker in relation to delivery. Calling judgment, how long to run a single. Making decisions, when to run. Placement and pace of the shot. These are the running between the wicket philosophy. Now, how to go for the running between the wicket drills? There are numerous drills are there for running between the wicket, sliding the bat. How to use the bat whenever he is using the flat surface of the bat. Using a chair, behind the chair, a cones with the ball will be there, sliding the bat, hit it and come back. We have shown onto the practical ground how to go for the drills in running between the wicket. Next one. So, thank you. This is all about the key points of running between the wickets. Thank you.